Hi everyone, welcome to my channel My Car 9067. Today I bought Woolbox i07 dash cam for my camera car. Okay, so you might have seen a lot of unboxing videos, but this is the first video posted by any Indian. Okay, if you search in YouTube, you will find a lot of unboxing videos, but that will be most of done by foreigners. It is not like that I am the first guy who bought this product. It was bought by so many people in India, but nobody has taken the video and posted in the YouTube. But I am doing for your help so that you should know what you are buying. So before this buying this product, I have done a lot of research. Okay, I have seen other options also. First, I explored the Indian options. I am getting the 4K cameras. Lot of options are there, but the quality that I am not finding very helpful to install, because if I am installing, it should work for a long time. So I have seen a lot of videos and I have seen the so many feedbacks. So it is a Woolbox is a very good brand. Okay, it is not like that product. Okay, so as per me, it is a US based product, but but it is manufactured in China only. If I see that whatever the thing, it is manufactured in China. So I have already done the unboxing. Okay, so I am curious, so I could not able to stop myself. So I opened it. So I bought one this additional cable to connect to my electrical wiring. Okay, so there are the two ways to connect this dash cam to my car. So one is by this 12-volt charger. Okay, but in this case what happens is your wiring and everything will be appearing inside the cabin, so which would not be good. So I don't want to make that. So I have taken the option that I want to keep the all wiring in within my car. I don't want to see any additional cable. So this is the main unit. Okay, so it comes with the three cameras. Okay, other options I have find lot of options. Why I have chosen this i07 is because it has a three cameras. One is this main camera, which is a 4K camera. Okay, then you have another camera, this front side. It is going to cover your complete cabin, and this is the 3-inch display. So it is something around 80 centimeters. It is a display where you can see the screen, whatever the recordings has taken place, you can see here. And this is the place where you have to stick in inside your car. Okay, that we will see that tomorrow. If I go inside my car, I will see where I have to position and everything. This is your C-type charger. Okay, wherever this one or this 12 volts battery you are going to connect here, and you have a dash cam, back dash cam slot over also, and you have a speaker over here. Okay, and it comes with a 32 GB memory card. It is here. So I recommend to go with the 128 GB. So I will definitely purchase 128 GB for time being. So I am managing with 32 GB. I know that if it is 32 GB, hardly we can record 1 hour, not more than that if I am not wrong. If 128 GB, I am hearing out that we can record up to 5 to 6 hours. That depend upon the quality of the recording and everything. If you keep high quality, then recording time will definitely come less. So with this and this is the wiring which I got. It is to cover connect with the back camera. It is a lengthy wire, so no problem. So easily you can connect to the your back camera without any problem. So there will not be any shortage in that. So this is the back camera. Okay, so this is for 2.5 K, what they say that. Okay, with that we can do the recordings and everything. The front camera is for 4K, and this cabin camera is for 1080 HD for that one. And they have given this piece. If you want to install by yourself, you can use this tool. Okay, for keeping inside your car. But I don't want to do with my car because it's my new car. So I want to do outside. Most probably this Saturday or Sunday I will go to any service center and I will do myself. So if you like the video, please like it. And this is my first video, so any improvement need to be done, please let me know in comment section. And if you like my video, uh, give one like and subscribe my channel. In future what I am going to do is I am going to install this cameras in my car, and I am planning to go for India tour. Okay, so whatever the videos I am going to do while India tour, that I'm going to keep posting. So please continuing watching my channel so that you will get more updates. So I kindly request you to subscribe so it will give more motivation to me work on it. And as I said, please give your comments, okay, where I have to improve. Since my it is my first video, I have to learn so many things with your feedback only. Thank you very much.